Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and to my backyard. You may have seen my backyard in older videos and a couple of videos I did. It's actually not the same trash can, it's a new one because the other one's broken. Welcome to the channel, Martin Belvoir Auto Spa. I'm in the backyard, showcase a Chinese tool, another Chinese tool, with my dogs. That's my puppy Freya. She's about 5-6 months old. This is Balder, he's 2 years old. He's a big boy, he's the one you always hear barking in the videos. Anyways, we're going to be reviewing this Bei Hong, or as the company is known as, Bei and Hong. It's Bei and Hong, it's two names. Mini chainsaw. Now this was sent to me from Alloyman, which you saw one of the videos of before. Alloyman is I believe they own Bei and Hong, or they're the same company or something. If you go on Alloyman's website, find Bei and Hong tools. This mini chainsaw retails for about $70–$80. You can usually find it on discount. As of today, checking it, it's on sale on Amazon for $50 and it's on their website for $70. But then they always have discount codes on their website, so get it from wherever you want. It comes with a 1-year warranty, 21 volt, 2 amp hour batteries. It's got a self-lubricating chain, blah, blah, blah. I've tested this out already, so just want to make sure it works, make sure I understand it. But let me go ahead and show you all. So you get this really nice carrying case with it to store it in. You open it up, you got the manual. Use this. All right, I'm okay. You got the manual here. I think it's 21 volt max. I think these are just 18 volt batteries, but stuff from China, there's no rating system, there's no consistent rating system, I guess you could say, standard rating system. So, because I've got their Alloyman tools that say they're 20 volt, these say 21 volt, I've got others that say 18 volt, and the batteries are all interchangeable for most of these. They all use Makita style batteries, which I believe are 18 volt batteries. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, they're all Makita style batteries. So just to show you, they also give you some gloves. They're just cotton gloves with little grabbers on them, which is nice, and some safety glasses. So because we're going to be cutting stuff, we'll go ahead and put these safety glasses on. Now, I got like a whole pack of safety glasses. My dog's, they're a toy for him. These aren't for you. No, these aren't for you. Go. And are these adjustable? I think they are. So I got a big head. Alright, got the safety glasses on. I'll take the chainsaw out of the packaging. I would suggest keeping this plastic because this is a chainsaw you add oil to. Now don't store this with the oil in it or it will leak out. It does say on here to keep oil above the minimum line when cutting, and please empty the tank after each use. So they do tell you that. Okay, and it's got this nice little shroud for storage. So for oil, I don't have chainsaw chain and bar oil. I've got some motor oil. This is clean new motor oil. I know some people use used motor oil that cut a lot of stuff, but they usually filter it so they're not getting metal shavings and stuff in there. So we'll go ahead and add a little bit of that to the chainsaw, since we're going to be doing a little bit of cutting just for the video. Just a little bit. Don't need much because I'm not going to be cutting a lot. I don't suggest filling this thing up unless you plan on using it a lot throughout the day. Otherwise, you're going to be wasting oil. And then, of course, make sure you dispose of oil properly. I change my oil here, so I've got some used oil reservoirs that when they get full, I take to the auto parts store and dump them out. They don't charge you a thing. Anyways, so what else do we got? So we got this safety lever here. You got to push that in to be able to pull the trigger. Can't pull the trigger, as you can see here. We push this in. Trigger can be pulled, and then you can just hold the trigger down. Resets if you release. We got a chain tensioner. So you undo that to make sure you can access it. And this, as you can see, loosens the chain and get it to move. Tightens the chain. So you can loosen and tighten the chain without tools, which is nice. They give you 2 of their batteries, as well as battery charger, plug this into a wall outlet. This plugs in right there, like so. I also found that you can use, okay, let me just hit the battery thing real quick. So this is the Bei Hong battery, slides in the back of this one. See, that works. Okay. This is the Alloyman battery, same company. See, that works. This is SPTA battery. This is a company I buy all my polishers, my cordless polishers from. Also works. And then we have a tool I previously reviewed, Yahweh, 4 amp hour battery. They all work. They all have that same charging port. I believe that a lot of these companies are just using the same battery manufacturer, which works out because if you're buying these Chinese tools, you'll have plenty of batteries. Now, myself, if I don't buy just Chinese tools, I also have a lot of Ryobi, they're HP tools, those are the ones I prefer. But these companies have been reaching out to me to send me products to review, so here we are. So, anyways, let's get the battery they gave us here, and we got this ready. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna adjust the camera this way, and we're gonna cut some wood. I did get a new tripod too, so this thing's pretty stable. So first, we got a 2x4 here, just to show you how effective this is. Nice clean cut. Now we've got this piece of rotted fence that the dogs like to play with. This is probably more of the stuff you're going to find yourself cutting, or tree branches and stuff. This would be more representative, I guess, of a tree branch, something like that. It's through it, no problem. See, this is what I practice on. Cut it again. Perfect. There you go, dog. He's very interested. But yeah, cuts great. And you can see that it does oil well. So the chain is all oiled and it's picking up all that stuff. And then down below we got all the sawdust. So it's a nice little sawdust grater. Need that. But yeah, guys, this tool is pretty good. I honestly am glad they sent it to me, because let me show you this tree. Been a pain since I've been living here. Don't mind the washers. This tree grows new branches every year, and like you can see over there, they're kind of hanging down low and they get in the way. Last time I used a sawzall to cut them off, and a sawzall, while it is a great tool, I used a Ryobi branded sawzall. They're not the ideal wood cutting tools if you have a chainsaw. Sawzalls are more made for demolition, particularly cutting metal. They cut through metal great with a metal blade, of course. You can't do that with a chainsaw. Chainsaws are made for just wood. Sawzall is definitely the tool to reach for if you got wood with nails all through it or stuff. I mean, just for chainsaw, I use just wood, of course. But yeah, the Alloyman, not Alloyman, the Bei Hong mini chainsaw. Now, most power tool companies do sell chainsaws. Mini chainsaws usually cost more money. And I probably would have gotten the Ryobi one, but the Ryobi one is an oilless, which just means any time tools that say oilless, you have to manually oil the chain and bar. I like these automatic oiling ones better. They're more convenient. Do get a little bit messy though, so just keep that in mind. And again, when you're done using it, drain the oil out. Otherwise, you're going to find this thing is going to leak all over the place. And I would definitely recommend keeping the little bag that it comes in. That way, when you're done using it, you can throw it in the bag. That way, if any oil does leak out, it'll only be in the bag and it won't get over everything else. But definitely check this out. I'll post a link to it on Amazon as well as our website. Thank you, Alloyman / BeiHong, for sending this tool out to me. pretty nice little tool, very handy. I can see myself using it a lot, and I can see a lot of people getting a lot of use of this, out of this as well. Well, that's all I got for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And I can't talk right now. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Keep it clean. Have a good one.